Welcome to Health Pioneers. As a health professional, I created this YouTube channel to help people live a more healthy, natural and happy life. I create videos showing natural remedies and ways to improve well-being. I originally set up this channel to help people who suffer from various ailments, anxiety, and stress. But the channel has developed into a health, wellness, and fitness channel as a health professional. I typically make videos every day on nutrition, mental health, women's health, healthy recipes, men's health, children's health, and pets' health, to help people become happier. My earlier videos provide useful tools, tips, and techniques on how to cure yourself of anxiety and panic attacks. My videos show that if you practice and apply the techniques shown, you will see results. I offer no quick fix solutions, as I strongly advise to see your doctor whenever you may have a health issue, as it takes time to overcome panic attacks and learn new skills. I take pride in providing free information, health, wellness, fitness and more. Like, comment and share my videos. Please subscribe for useful tips, tricks and techniques to improve your healthier life.